How low can you go? I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner. No, I'm not talking about a limbo dance. I'm talking about mowing your yard. Stay tuned to find out the answer right after this. Mold on your siding, moss on your roof, mildew on your deck. The easiest way to get rid of it all is with Wet and Forget Outdoor. There's no scrubbing, no rinsing, and no pressure washing. Just spray and leave. Wet and Forget Outdoor is non-caustic and safe for any outdoor surface. Just spray and you're done with Wet and Forget Outdoor. Get Wet and Forget Outdoor at participating Ace, Walmart, and Lowe's home improvement stores, or visit wetandforget.com for a store near you. Even for folks who love their yards, there are times when mowing can become a drudgery. So, to get the most out of each mowing, they lower the blade as far as it will go, hoping they can go an extra week before it needs it again. While this will certainly increase mowing intervals, it can also result in patches of dead lawn because cutting grass that short exposes the roots, which dries out the soil too quickly, giving you the neighborhood yard that looks the worst. Grass can be at its healthiest when you cut only about a third of the overall blade height each time you mow. That means setting the mower a little higher and mowing more frequently. When you do this, the lawn will be thicker, greener, and more resistant to the growth of weeds, which is a lot nicer to look at. I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner.